Hey, hi, welcome guys. Welcome back to our channel, which is Fiberon. Today, I'm going to discuss about how to verify the title of any web page, right, through the automation script. So this is the complete new playlist. It's the second video of that playlist. In the first video, I shown you how to open the browser at all, how to minimize, maximize the thing and set up at all, right? And in this video, I'm going to show you how to, how to verify the titles. Title is very important, right? What is the important, why we have to verify? First thing, just try to understand why we should learn, right? Every time I used to come up with this statement, whenever you are trying to learn something new, then always ask one question: why we have to learn? Because in every organization, they are not dealing with one application, right? They are going to deal with the multiple application, and your script is running on which application, you should verify. So in order to verify that thing, we have to verify the title first, right? So in order, without wasting our time, let's come up with the agenda. So again, I created one Python file, and inside a Python file, what I'm going to do, just create a class, and class name you can give anything as usual. Class name you can give anything, like verify. Class name again, class name should be in camel case. Title verify title, and this one. And yes, before that we have to import the things. So again, I'm going to copy paste with my that previous code. Just import WebDriver, and yes, and again, this is also common, so I'm going to copy paste. Later on, I'll create a framework, and in that framework I will show you how to structureize all those things, right? So that is the things. And yeah, and again, I'm going to create one method like define definition of method. Again, if whoever very new in the Python, then I'm requesting, please go with the my Python playlist, which I already created. I'll give the link in the description. Just go ahead with that. Okay. So def verify title, you can give any name. Verify title, and that's all. And yes, we have to, before verifying the title, we have to go into the browser and then base URL, and then yes, we have to go till here and copy pasting here and just here, and then self dot driver bus driver not that bus driver, it's a Chrome browser driver, right? Driver dot get title, get underscore title. Okay, get title, it's a title, right? Title. Okay, so it will give you, I guess, the title. Insert this, it will give you the title, and that title, let's print first. Okay, I'm going to store this title inside of this, what I can say, title. You can create a variable like a title, and inside of title, let's me print this first. Okay, let me print this. Okay, print, you can give the print and title. Okay, so yeah, we can do. And now I'm going to create a object for that verify title. Name should be very generic. In industry, name should be very generic, so that, because it's not a 5 or 6 line of code is going to be done in the industry. There is a million of code is there, right? So how you can verify, how you can identify those things? So for that, it is very important. Now we created an object. Now we can call this verify. Okay, spelling mistake, right? Verify title dot verify title. Okay, so let me execute this. Let's see what is going to be happen. Still we didn't verify, right? We are trying to verify those things. Now open the browser, it is going to pass that URL. Yes, and yes, we did not close this, right? So yes, so we got this title, okay. How you can check whether this title is correct or not? So for that, press Ctrl Shift C, or right click onto your page, go to the inspect element, right? It will go there, and just go upside, there is a head, and inside of head, you just expand this head first. It is not expanding. Yeah, you can see here, head, inside of head, title is there, right? Title is nothing but it's a your store. If I can highlight this, you can see your store dot login, and we are getting the same thing. Okay, let me share my screen. I guess I haven't shared, right? So yes, you can see here. If you can see, just go to just inspect element. You can click on the inspect element. You will get this, and there is an option to head. And inside of head, you can find it out. These things, your store.login, you will get it there, right? A title of the page, and this is the one option. This is the one option from where you will get, and same thing we are getting here also. Now our agenda is not to do this. Our agenda is not to do this. Our agenda is to verify this. I got the title, but how to verify these things, right? How to verify these things. So in order to do this, just if title equal to, just pass this and copy paste this. I'm copy pasting this. Copy paste this. Control V and assert true. Assert true. You can pass assert true, and similarly else block will run, else assert false. Means if my title will not get verified, then I'm going to fail the test case, right? It's very simple. It's not a hard and fast, right? Okay, cool. Let me run this then. Yes, we got this, and yes. So I can see my test case got. How you can check? You can apply some login here. Means you can apply some log here. Means print title has been verified. And similarly, if it will get false, title has not been verified. You can give any message. Okay, just execute this. Yes, I guess I can get it. Yes, title has been verified, right? I'm getting this log. Once the verification has done, what we can do, we can close our browser, like self.driver.close, right? And similarly here also, if title will not get verified, we have to close this self dot. Sorry. CLF. Why it is not taking? Okay. Self.driver.close. Right? We close our browser. Now let's hit this. And also we can do one more thing. Before passing this URL now, you can maximize the browsers, right? So self.driver.maximize window. You can call this maximize the window, and yes, that is enough, right? Let me execute this once again. Now the browser will be get closed automatically. My browser got maximized, and it is passing that URL, and it will check that this, and it title has been verified. Now if you are going to change something, let's suppose I'm going to change something, right? And now if I'm trying to execute this thing, right, it got maximized, it is passing the URL, and yes, it is going to close, and it is saying okay. So basically this should, okay, my test case get failed and driver got closed, right? Automatic browser got closed, sorry. So this is the things is going to be happen at all, right? Later on I'll show you the PyTest. In that we will get a beautiful logs, right? Hope you understood this verify title, how to verify the title, and what is the important of title of application, right? Hope you really enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, then please do like, subscribe our channel so that never missed our update. Thank you for watching this. मिलते हैं next video में.